My name's Ayan.
My name is Sulaiman.
My name is Zahim.
My name is Mustaf.
My name is Siham.
My name is Mahar.
My name is Sudesi.
My name is Mulki. I'm in 4th grade.
And I'm in 1st grade.
And I'm in kindergarten. And I'm in 1st grade.
And I'm in 6th grade.
I'm in 3rd grade.
And I'm in 3rd grade.
I am in grade 4. I'm part of Ka Joog 4H.
4H.
I'm part of Ka Joog. And I'm part of Ka Joog 4H.
4H. Ka Joog.
I'm a part of Ka Joog 4H.
I'm a part of 4H.
I am part of Ka Joog. I want to be an athlete when I grow up.
What I want to be when I grow up is a firefighter.
I want to be a police. And when I want to be when I grow up is a police.
Hairstylist.
When I want to grow up, I'm going to be an engineer.
What I be when I grow up is an engineer.
What I want to be when I grow up is a doctor.